I'm Debbie Rodriguez. I'm a productivity life coach, and I'm back again with another video to show you exactly how I plan. These videos here on my YouTube channel are meant to show you exactly what I do to stay productive and the ways that I accomplish success by being productive, building self-esteem and confidence. My goal is really to show you guys the products that I use, how I use them, so that you can also get inspired and find your way how you can also achieve success and productivity your way, the best way that applies to you. But I'll show you how I do it. Last week I showed you my traveler's notebook. I got it recently. I'm super excited about it. And I was thinking about doing another flip through today, but guess what? I have another unboxing for you guys, and I'm very excited about this one because I got amazing stuff that I'm dying to show you. And within the next 2 weeks, I'll be showing you exactly how I'll be using these amazing products, because it's not about what you buy or how you buy, it's how you use them. I'm super excited to have these products because I'm sure you love them too. They're amazing. Just for the record, so they are things that I bought for myself. It's not like it's not a promotion or anything. I really bought them for myself. These are really products that I got, that I saw them and I said I gotta have them because they're going to make my life so much easier. Here it is. This is my beautiful box. And let me open it for you. You're going to recognize, if you watch my previous video, you're going to recognize the package. And yes, these are products that I got today. I went to Nomado Store and I got these beauties. Look at how full this box is. Oh my God, I'm just beyond excited. As I said, you guys, if you watched the video from my traveler's notebook, I told you that I'm in a place, in a moment in my life that I really want my life to be easier, even save much more time than I'm saving right now. And that's the reason why I got the things that I got today. Since Nomado Store is in Belgium, I had the chance to go there to talk to Charles from Nomado Store. And so I brought them home. So I'm super excited. I've seen them already, I've touched them already, I smelled them already, but now they're mine. It's official. I'm going to be showing you everything. So remember the turtle from the clip? Yes, this is the turtle from the clip. Let me start with this one. I don't remember what is in which package, so yes, I feel it already. I know what it is. The thing is, in case you don't know, I recently fell in love. Recently, from last October, I started falling in love with fountain pens, and I'm using them more. I'm forcing myself to use them more, also to practice my handwriting. Even though I am a high-tech person, I love technology, I love my gadgets, I love the things that I use. But I also want to find that balance and go back to the basics and use more of analog stuff. So to make sure that I have everything with me, good package, and that's not like overwhelmed in my bag, I decided to get this beauty here. I'm telling you, it was not easy to pick what I wanted, but I made up my mind and I chose this beautiful, incredibly amazing, beautiful pencil case, and it's just beautiful. It's from leather. They have two beautiful ones. This also from Superior Labor, and they had another one that's also very, very beautiful. But the reason why I chose this one is because, as you can see, it's brand new, so it's going to, get more flexible. But I have room for a lot of stuff, and I really want it. It's like you're going to understand even more. So that's why I got this one. All these things that I'm going to show you guys, they are going to be in my bag every single day. So again, just like what I talked about my traveler's notebook, they're looking beautifully right now. I do not mind that they are not going to be this beautiful in a couple of months, but I really want to use them. They're not things that I'm just going to buy and put them in my shelf or you know, save for later. No, they are going to be everyday care. This is the first one I'm going to put here. The second package, you see their package is so nice, and I have to say it took me hours to choose what I wanted because everything is so beautiful and it so fits the way that I like my things, that I want to live my life. That's why it's made so hard to choose. These are also for the superior labor, and you see how they match. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. This is a A6 notebook. When you buy the cover, it comes with one of notebooks, but you can also buy those notebooks separately. It is simply amazing. That's the thing about Japanese products. That's why I have this passion about Japan in general, because everything is so beautiful. And look at the pages. They're amazing. And just that you guys know, those bags here, they're really models of bags from the superior labor. You know, the engineered tote bag is really one of the bags. And see if you can see it. They're simply very, very beautiful, very beautifully done. It's special. You buy products, they're very special. So this one, the next time I'll be showing it, I will have my Hobonichi original here. That's why I got this cover. That was the idea. We tried it there because thanks to Charles, I was able to try everything to see if it really fit, and it fit beautifully, I'm telling you. So the next time I'll be talk to you about how I use my planners, how I use my Hobonichi. You'll be seeing my Hobonichi here with this superior labor cover. And this cover I also got. It's also superior labor, the same leather. As you can see, they look really, really a lot alike. This is going to be for my cousin. This one, when you buy, it does not come with a notebook, but there are notebooks that you can buy for them. And I'll be using it with my cousin. And the reason why I have a very, if you've seen my very first video, I have a very beautiful cover for my Hobonichi for both of them. They are matching covers. It's very beautiful. However, it's getting too much for my bag. If I want to carry them every single day, or my cousin, I'll be carrying every single day. My A6, my original, not so much. But if I want to carry them, it's like my bag is already full if only I have my planners, and all the rest, there is no place. So that's the reason why I got these covers. They're going to protect my book, as well as looking beautiful, very resistant. It's leather. It's like something that I do not plan on buying every single year. It's one time, and I have for the rest of my life. That's why I want it. Very, very nice. This was an amazing surprise for me, because this is also superior labor, you see. I'm already addicted to that brand. They just have so many beautiful things. The bags. I was going to buy the number 4, but this number 3 is so nice. It's so big. It fits so many things that I end up picking this one. It's very nice. It's very beautiful. And it's exactly what I need. Let me see what is inside. So then again, these are all things that I bought. It's really what I needed and what I wanted. Of course, I got something else for my traveler's notebook because I could not leave it all behind. And that's the 2018 diary. At that moment, the moment that I'm doing this video, they are having a special price on their website. You can check it out because Nomado Store, they ship all over the globe. And so we are already a couple months in 2018. You can get it there. It comes with stickers. I'll be using it. It's just so beautiful. You see, I'm going to open for you guys so that you can see it. I've seen it already, but I cannot wait to start using them because, as I said again, always going back to my previous videos, I'll be using my traveler's notebook every single day from now on. So this is the one. This is the first half of the year, and this one is the second half of the year, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So you have October, September. So they come. It's a whole year. You have 2 books. If you are a Hobonichi user, it's like you have the avec version of the original or cousin, that you have also 2 books. For the traveler's notebook, you also have 2 books. And you have Here's some stickers, which I love. So I'll be using them too. Again, I'll be showing more from my flip-throughs. I'm generally not such a buyer, so don't expect that many unboxing videos. It's just that something that's happening right now. But you'll be seeing a lot more flip-throughs than you're seeing the couple of videos. I'm going to be putting this here. This one, it was a gift, which I was just in love with it. Again, I'm telling you guys, I discovered fountain pens very recently. It was only last year. And I was amazed when I saw this beautiful, that's the 365 Notebook Premium. Japanese, guess what? Made in Japan, so beautiful. And the paper is something just to fall in love with. It feels so special. And I cannot wait to start using it. I'll probably having this book with me a lot of times, and the cover is hard. So it's good if you're writing, if you're just standing somewhere, you want to write something. It's really, really easy to use, and I'm telling you, the paper, you have to experience it. It's really the touching. If you're new to those unboxing videos, if you find it weird that people are always touching their books, touching their letters, when you touch one thing like this, you understand exactly what I mean. It's a masterpiece in terms of notebook. So I'm excited to start using it. And it comes with the roller so that I can put it in the back of the paper. And if you need the lines, you have them. Let me show you how it works. If you have never seen one of these, see. So here you can see through the pages, and when you're going to write it down, it's very clear. It's not like you're not right. I hope that the camera shows it well, but you see the lines here at the back. Very beautiful product. Thank you very much, guys. I loved it. Very, very beautiful. And this pouch is gorgeous. I'll be using, again, for all the things that I have in my bag. For example, I'm going to be sincere with you guys. I do not pick my phone when I'm not on my desk, because I never can find my phone in my bag. My bag is not a big one, but it's just that I have so many things that I end up losing my phone and I never find it, and it's very, very frustrating. I'm going to tell you I'm saving the best for last, which is not, because it's not fair. I always say that, but it's not fair with all the other amazing things. But this beauty, I was keeping an eye on it like a forever. And I finally decided, you know, I need that, and I'm going to get it. And I bought this one. It's an organizer, so you can remove the items from here if you want just to use like this, or you can put it here. What I did there, I haven't put in my final set yet, but what we tried there is to put my Hobonichi cousin here. It fit perfectly, and look, and be mindful that my Hobonichi cousin is quite fatty. I'm putting a lot of things, a lot of stickers, and so it's getting really bulky already. There is another pocket here at the back that I must say, I haven't found many pictures with it, but I was happy to be able to feel it, to see it. So there is this pocket here in the back. You can put 3 pens, and you see it's quite friendly space. I'll probably even, I don't know if how I'll be using it. You'll be seeing it for sure. And you have place for cards, and you can put your phone here, which is exactly what I'm looking for, because I'm sick and tired of losing my phone and not being able to pick up phones just because I don't know where it is. And I have room for a lot of things. It also fits a traveler's notebook, standard size here. So we tried it and fits beautifully. These are the things I'll be carrying with me from now on. Maybe not right away the 365 notebook, because I have other notebooks that I'm using right now. But you'll be hearing from me. I'll be showing you exactly. I took a picture today of how my bag looks like right now, and you'll be seeing how it will look like when everything's set up. And really, okay, it's beautiful. It all matches, which is something that is important to me. Why not having something beautiful? The products are really, really high quality, and it's not like I'll be buying them every single year. That's also one of the reasons why I started using Hobonichi. Just I do not want to have to buy covers every single year. I want to keep them, and those leather covers are going to stay with me pretty much for my life. And you'll see how I'll be organizing it. Why is all that? I got sick and tired of wasting time looking for stuff in my bag. You see, and that's why I'm using it. And that's why I'll be showing you how you can save time. Maybe guys, you don't understand what I mean, but ladies, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When the phone rings and you want to do something, or you need to pick up a call, or you need to find something, and you simply never find what you want. That's what I wanted to prevent going forward. And that's why I got these beauties. And I'm not going to say that's going to be in the next video, but for sure in the future, you are going to be seeing, whether here in my channel or on Instagram or on both, you'll be seeing exactly how I'm using them and how they're making my life much, much simpler and helping me avoid wasting time. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please just leave me below in the comments. If you find it useful, do not hesitate to put a thumbs up in the video and subscribe to my channel, because every single week I'll be sharing some video on how I'm using and what I'm using to make my life more productive, more organized, so that I can achieve my goals. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.